Hey, what's up guys, so in this video we will be unboxing and reviewing a gaming keyboard which is a spill proof, or you can say a partially waterproof keyboard. So let's quickly unbox the product. So this is basically the box pack in which I have received the product. I bought this product from Amazon for 400 Indian rupees. I have provided the buy link in the description below. On opening the box pack, you will find a box which has the keyboard only. So this is the USB keyboard. Let's talk further about its features and further review. The keyboard has advanced stylish shortcut keys for easy access to multimedia and internet functions. Now, whether you are watching a movie or surfing the web, you can easily access the required functions from the keyboard itself. Xcite Neo keyboards has a spill resistant design, which means that accidental fluid spilled will not harm the keyboard under limited conditions. With superior silver conductive film, Xcite Neo is designed to give you years of trouble-free usage. The keyboard is designed with elegance and has a special key layout which is both noiseless and smooth to touch. So you are promised to have a smooth typing experience for longer hours. One of the major drawbacks of cheaper keyboards is that the letters fade away after a while, but the Xcite Neo keyboard has a special UV coating on keys which prevents the letters from fading. Talking further about the review, this keyboard has very soft keys which makes it very easy for typing and gaming. The keys can be pressed gently with a soft feedback and an immediate response. This keyboard also has gaming key painted with blue like WASD and arrow keys. The Numpad is really helpful for users who use a Numpad a lot. The shortcut keys are also very useful for quickly performing few tasks. The functioning of keys were found accurate on testing. These lights also light up when activated. The typing also worked very well, as I have typed using this keyboard after completion of this video. There's not much noise while typing, though the spacebar does make a little noise, but it's acceptable. There's a dedicated key for rupee symbol, which is also a great thing for typists. The overall design and build of the keyboard is really good and it gives the gaming look. The keyboard has a USB pin which is plug and play, so you don't need to download any driver for it to work. Behind the keyboard, you will find these to lift up the keyboard according to your requirement. The back side of the keyboard also has a pretty nice build. The keyboard has Windows 8 logo key. The overall experience of this keyboard at this price is really nice and it's a good buy at this point. I can make a Hindi review also and a waterproof test if you guys will hit like and comment for review. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit like, subscribe and comment below. That's all.